English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 65.
When you talk about the first time something happened, such as visiting a new place, you often use never or ever with the past perfect or present perfect.
Leo was very excited. He had never visited Rome before. Leo was very excited. It was the first time he had ever visited Rome.
Tom had never been on a plane before his trip to Madagascar. Last summer was the first time we had ever gone camping. It rained every day. I had never eaten risotto until I went to Milan. Now I cook it for myself at home. They had never been overseas before they went to Paris. They thought the flight was exciting. We travelled overnight from Bangkok. It was the first time I had ever slept on a train. I heard you went to Madrid last month. Was that the first time you had ever been there? James had never been bungee jumping until he tried it in New Zealand last year.
Nat is very excited. She has never visited Sydney before. Nat is very excited. It's the first time she has ever visited Sydney.
Tamal is very nervous but also excited. He has never tried skydiving before. I'm speechless. It's the first time I have ever seen a lion in the wild. Sam and Ellie don't know what to expect. They have never been on a cruise. Marisha had never been skiing before she went to the Alps. Now she loves it. When I went to Berlin, it was the first time I had ever been on vacation alone. We had never flown for longer than 4 hours until we went to Cuba. The children can't wait. It will be the first time they have ever traveled by train.
Travel Guide to Germany. A day tour of Berlin. Morning. Head to Checkpoint Charlie and see the derelict remains of the Berlin Wall. This is a popular tourist site, so be prepared for crowds. After this, visit the charming Fassenbender and Rausch, the world's largest chocolatier. Explore the open-plan shop and have lunch in the comfortable tea room. Afternoon. Go to the spacious Tiergarten. This park is so large that it can sometimes feel deserted. From here, walk to the Brandenburg Gate. While not ancient, it dates from 1791. This massive stone arch is nonetheless impressive and is the symbol of Berlin. There aren't too many high-rise buildings in Berlin, but the Berliner Fernsehturm, the tallest building in Germany, has a restaurant at the top with great views of Berlin.
Spacious. Deserted. Ancient. Derelict. Charming. High-rise buildings. Comfortable. Popular. Open plan.
The building was old and derelict. It had never been looked after properly. We rented an apartment in Egypt. The rooms were very spacious and airy. We loved it. This bed is so comfortable. I don't think I've ever had such a good night's sleep. The famous Parthenon in Athens is such an amazing ancient temple. Newtown is a very trendy place and is popular with young people. Lots of students live there. When we got to the beach, it was deserted. We were the only people there. There are a lot of high-rise buildings in Chicago. The tallest is 110 stories high. This is such a charming village. The houses are attractive, and the main square is very pleasant.
Have you ever been to Barcelona, Elsa?
No, unfortunately I haven't, Zabi. I visited Madrid, but I've never been to Barcelona.
I can take you to see all the popular tourist sites, like the Sagrada Familia and the Picasso Museum.
Sounds great.
I can also show you some of the deserted spots that most tourists don't go to.
Sounds interesting. Tell me more.
Have you ever heard of the Bunkers del Carmel?
No, what is it?
It's a viewpoint at the top of a mountain where you can see right across Barcelona and its high-rise buildings. There used to be bunkers there from the Spanish Civil War. They were derelict until the 1990s, when the area was redeveloped.
I'd like to go there.
It's a bit difficult to get to, but it's really charming. You've never seen a sunset like the one you can see from there.
I can't wait.
Yesterday was the first time I had ever met her. Ben is so excited. He has never been on a plane before. Last week was the first time Dawn had ever been to Iceland. I had never eaten miso soup before I went to Japan. It's the first time Jin has ever traveled alone. Last year was the first time I had ever gone sailing.
End of lesson 65.